What's the meaning of amnesiac? Amnesiac. 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 Amnesiac.
The term amnesiac refers to someone who suffers from amnesia, a condition characterized by the loss of memory or the inability to form new memories. This can be caused by various factors such as head injury, brain infection or disease, or use of drugs or alcohol. Those with amnesia may have difficulty remembering personal information, events, or even their own identity. The severity and duration of amnesia can vary depending on the cause and individual factors. Treatment may involve therapy, medication, or addressing the underlying condition causing the amnesia.